Hello friends, today I have with me a small presentation on fractional distillation. So let's get started. First, let's answer the question, what is fractional distillation? Fractional distillation is a type of distillation which involves the separation of two miscible liquids. The process involves repeated distillations and condensations, and the mixture is usually separated into component parts. The separation happens when the mixture is heated at a certain temperature where fractions of the mixture start to vaporize. The basic principle of this type of distillation is that different liquids boil and evaporate at different temperatures. So, when the mixture is heated, the substance with lower boiling point starts to boil first and convert into vapors. Now, let's talk about some of the apparatuses required for the process. Distilling flask, condenser, receiver, fractionating column, thermometer, and a heat source. So, now let's talk about the procedure of fractional distillation. After setting up the apparatus, a mixture of two miscible liquids A and B is taken, where A has more volatility than mixture B. The solution is added into the distilling flask while the fractionating column is connected at the tip of the flask. Heat is applied, which increases the temperature slowly. The mixture then starts to boil and vapors start to rise in the flask. The vapors are from the volatile component A. The vapors then start moving through the fractionating column into the condenser, where it is cooled down to form a liquid which is collected in the receiver. So now let's talk about industrial fractional distillation. Fractional distillation is one of the popular separation techniques used in several industries. While the principle behind the process remains the same, the distillation is carried out on a larger scale. Usually, huge vertical cylindrical columns known as distillation columns or fractionating towers are used. We have talked so much about fractional distillation, but do we know the uses of fractional distillation? So now let's talk about the application of fractional distillation. Fractional distillation is used for the separation of water as well as separating acetone and water. Fractional distillation is used in several industries like oil refineries and chemical plants, mainly for purification and separation of many organic compounds. Fractional distillation is also used for the separation of liquefied air. Components like liquid nitrogen and oxygen as well as concentrated argon are obtained. It is also used in the production of high purity silicon from chlorosanes. The silicon is widely used in semiconductors. Thanks for watching.